Students, today through this activity we are going to learn different properties of image formation by a plane mirror. So for this activity I have taken a plane mirror, a chessboard, a sharpener. Okay, so let us start the activity. Let me keep this sharpener here. Then you can see that the image which is formed inside, it is of same size as that of sharpener. The image which is formed inside the mirror, it is of same size as that of sharpener. And the height of the sharpener and the height of image is also same. So in plane mirror, the size of the image is same as that of size of the object. Similarly, let me keep this sharpener little bit here. Now you can able to see that from the mirror, after two space, then after two square space I have kept the sharpener. Then inside of the image you can see that this sharpener is also, the image of the sharpener is also at two squares. So in this case we can infer that the distance of object from the mirror is same as the distance of image from the mirror. Now let us see another activity. Let me keep, you can see this is a letter I have written M. So let me keep this in front of a mirror. Then you can see, able to see W inside the mirror. If I am keeping the letter M, then you can able to see W inside the mirror. So in plane mirror, the image is virtual image and you can see if I am keeping this paper also, I can't keep the image. If I am keeping this paper also, I can't hold the image. So this image is a virtual image and there is lateral inversion occurs in case of plane mirror. Let us take this example how this lateral inversion occurs. So here you can see I am keeping this sharpener in my right hand and holding the mirror in my left hand. So if I am showing this sharpener, you can see the image of my fingers along with sharpener, it is looking left hand as if I am holding in the left hand. So from this phenomena we can show that left hand is looking like right hand. So this phenomena is called lateral inversion. So thank you students.